Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Amber from Unique Upcycles, and in today's video I am actually going to be doing another project for myself. I am going to be making over I believe it's like a 1940s Bassett dresser. I scored this for $20 on OfferUp, so I'm pretty excited about that. It will kind of match those nightstands that I did in that waterfall vanity transferred into a nightstand video, because those are also my nightstands. So if you like to see furniture flips, trash to treasures, makeovers, all that good stuff, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I try to upload every Saturday morning. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here is the dresser that I am working on in this video. It is a Bassett, so it is pretty solid. Also, if you guys caught my last video where I did a makeover on that little 90s cabinet, that did sell for my listing price of $200. It actually sold within a couple hours of posting. Using my orbital sander, I started with an 80 grit to try to get off as much of that paint as I possibly could. The previous owner had painted over the backing of the dresser, which was in really bad shape as well, so I needed to remove it, and I will just let you guys watch me struggle through this process. I decided to use some paint stripper on these curved details since my sander couldn't reach it. I did just recently do a video on how to strip paint, so I will link that in the description for you so you don't have to watch that whole repeat process. This dresser was so dirty that I actually had to take the bottom off to clean it, and then the base was rotten, so it just broke apart in the process. I'm using some Bondo to repair some holes and also chunks of veneer that was missing. It's a two-part process that you mix together and then mix the hardener. After it dried, I sanded it smooth. I used a Dremel to sand in these little curved detail areas. This was a really cheap one. I think it was like 20 bucks from Harbor Freight. The middle three drawers did not have handles on them, so I'm going to be adding that. I'm just using my drill to pre-drill some holes. I'm using my Zinsser Bin shellac-based primer, and I'm just applying this with a chip brush. I did a total of 2 coats on the frame and the drawer fronts. For my paint today, I am using the color Vintage by Mélange. The best description of it is that it's a creamy off-white and it looks like melted vanilla ice cream. They have given me a discount code for you guys. You guys can get 10% off your order with code AMBER10. I applied 3 coats of this using my Country Chic oval brush. Yeah, I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. To protect my paint, I am using Minwax polyacrylic and ultra clear flat. I applied 2 coats of this with my Zebra Palm Pro brush. Since the original base fell apart while I was cleaning it, I decided to add some little peg legs that I got off of Amazon and just screwed those in place. I then used Rust-Oleum and hammered brass to make all the drawer pulls match the old ones and the new ones. And here is the final look. I will link everything that I used in the description below. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next weekend.